Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Chill on YouTube. We know that the human body is a complex machine made up of nearly 1 trillion cells. They're constantly replicating, dying, and being replaced with new ones. You have 5 vital organs that you can't really live without, and a few organs that you really don't need. To know more about our complex bodily functions, what if you can have a tour inside your own body? No, this is not about capsule endoscopy, the one that takes pictures inside your digestive tract, or an x ray. This is somewhat of a hypothetical approach to know in depth details of our own bodily mechanisms. As there are a few major organ systems in the human body, different organs can work together to perform a common function, like how the parts of your digestive system break down food. We refer to an integrated unit as an organ system. Groups of organ systems work together to make complete, functional organisms, like us. Let's take the most sophisticated, hypothetical tour where you would be your own guide. So, without any further ado, let's dissect and dive in. The circulatory system. At the center of the human body, and your circulatory system in particular, is the heart, a fist-sized pump that pushes blood to all of your other body systems. The function of the circulatory system is to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your body and remove carbon dioxide and waste products through a system of veins, arteries, and smaller blood vessels. There are 20 major arteries, including the carotid artery in the neck, the axillary artery in the arm, the femoral artery in the thigh, and the coronary arteries that supply blood to the heart. Your heart slows down when you sleep, but when it gets signals of danger, it starts pumping blood faster to deliver more oxygen to your cells and tissue. The respiratory system. Your respiratory system, which includes the lungs, trachea, bronchi, and diaphragm, works closely with your heart and circulatory system. When you breathe air in, the air passes through your nose and mouth and down into your lungs through your windpipe. Inside your lungs, the air eventually winds up inside 600 million tiny sacs called alveoli. It is in these air sacs that oxygen is transferred to the blood and carbon dioxide is removed from the blood. The oxygen-rich blood goes back to your heart and the carbon dioxide is exhaled out of your body. The digestive system. Your digestive system is made up of a series of hollow organs that connect to form a digestive tract that goes from the mouth to the anus. Food digestion starts in your mouth and then goes through your esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, etc. 2 other organs, the liver and the pancreas, contribute important digestive juices. Your liver is a true neat freak, though. It breaks down drugs, detoxifies all the harmful chemicals, and sends them out of your body as waste. And it hates when you get drunk. Then there are the kidneys, and just like the liver, these guys are a couple of little neat freaks too. The purpose of your digestive system is to break down the foods you eat into molecules tiny enough to be absorbed by your circulatory system. These molecules can then supply your body with nutrients and energy. The upper parts of the system concentrate on digestion, and the lower parts on waste removal. Waste from indigestible parts of food moves through the large intestine into the rectum and is then eliminated as a bowel movement. The nervous system. Just as your heart is the center of your circulatory system, your brain is the center of your nervous system. Think of your brain as a 3-pound supercomputer that runs all the other systems in your body. The spinal cord is an 18-inch bundle of nerves that carries and returns messages to the computer. Your entire nervous system is built on billions of nerve cells called neurons that communicate with each other through chemicals called neurotransmitters. The nervous system is divided into two parts: the somatic nervous system, which connects the brain and spinal cord with muscles and skin, and the autonomic nervous system, which controls internal body processes like breathing and digestion. All of these processes are controlled from the command center, your brain. It has about 100 billion employees, the nerve cells. And with their help, the brain sends and receives messages from all the other departments of your body. The immune system. Your immune system is a complicated network of specialized cells, organs, and tissues that communicate with each other and work together to recognize and attack foreign invaders. These invaders could be germs such as viruses, bacteria, or fungi. When an invader gets into your body, your immune system uses your lymphatic system and your circulatory system to bring specialized white blood cells to the site of the invasion. Your immune system then produces antibodies or special chemicals that attach to the invader to inactivate or destroy it. So, this is the end of the video. What if we could look inside our own bodies? We hope you really enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. Leave us a comment and let us know which part of your body you'd like to take a tour of. But before you go, subscribe, like, and share the video, and don't forget, hit the bell icon to check out our interesting videos made just for you.